What's up mga yoy? For today's video, I don't want to eat pork butakal because my luong is already getting manhid na. So I will not eat pork butakal today to likay from high blood. Dipisil na. As you can see, we are cooking our very expensive rice with panggatong because our gasol is already ubos na. Gagastusan na naman, buray na po niya. We have here talapyang walang kamatayan mga idol by Idol Romeo Katakutan. We are going to pritos that, malasa. We also have here gulay na ugug mga yoy. That is not langka, ha? That's what you call ugug. And for our Ricardo, we have here coconut milk, or as we say here in Bicol, that's natok. Of course, we have garlic and sibuyas. Also, we have balaw and kamatis because we're going to make sinasang balaw with kamatis. And for our bangot, we have here 5 pieces of tinapa which is still alive. Look, look. You tikrag pa. Buhay pa, buhay pa. Oh, see? I told you, it's still alive. All our Ricardo now is ready. We bought that all from the Mercado. Very barato. We are now going to cook our gulay na ugog. We're going to put all the ingredients to our natuk. We're going to buntug all of that, and then we're going to make us all the ingredients until it buruk buduk. Since our natuk is already nagbuburuk buduk, we are going to put all of the gulay na ugog there. Oh, see? Just like that. Our gulay na ugog is already done. Look at that. Very nagbuburuk-buduk. And our spicy sinasang balaw with kamatis is already done. But I don't eat that because it's very magatal from the bunay-bunay. We are now also pritusing our tilapyang walang kamatayan mga idol by Romeo Katakutan. Can you hear the kirikiti? Puta. That's the sound of the kirikiti, but be careful, the mantika is nangasta. Oh, see? Oh, see, oh, sige? As you can see, I already salduk my rice, my gulay na ugog, and 1 piece of talapyang walang kamatayan mga idol. That's the presentation. Very beautiful, very malasa. Of course, we're going to eat that with our hands because I am a Filipino. Any kind of ulam, if you eat that with your hands, it's more malasa. Like what I am eating now. It's just gulay and pritos na talapya, but look at yoy. Isus, mak malala. Very dusta. If you still watching this video until now, I would like to thank you for watching. If you enjoy this vlog, please like and follow. If you don't want to like and follow and you did not enjoy this vlog, that's okay with me. There's no problem. Parot mo. Joke only. See you next vlog. Thank you for watching. Peace out. Goodbye.
What's up mga yoy? Ipinakikilala ko sa inyo ang larong Una Game. Ang Una Game isang play-to-earn mobile game na pwede kang kumita habang naglalaro lang. Mag-register lang, kumpletuhin lang lahat ng details na nakikita sa screen at i-confirm. After mo ma-confirm mga yoy, rekta ka na sa game. Marami kang pwedeng pagpiliin na laro dito mga yoy sa Una Game. Isa na nga dyan mga yoy ang larong Dragon Tiger. Ang larong Dragon Tiger mga yoy ay isang laro na kung saan tataya ka lang kung sa Dragon ba o sa Tiger. Magpapataasan lang kayo ng baraha mga yoy at kung sino yung mas mataas na baraha, syempre siya yung panalo. Diba? Ganun lang siya kadali mga yoy. Naglalaro ka lang pero kumikita ka pa. Sa Una Game lang yan mga yoy. At kung gusto nyo na mag-withdraw, i-click nyo lang mga yoy yung withdraw dyan sa baba, i-bind nyo mga yoy yung Gcash details nyo at ilagay nyo yung withdraw amount. Rekta Gcash nyo na yan mga yoy. Ganun lang siya kadali. Ano pa hinihintay nyo mga yoy? I-download nyo na ang Una Game. Nasa comment section ng video na to yung link kung saan pwede mo siyang i-download. Matik na yan. Una ka sa Una Game.